any number, you can read that with me, any number
Any
multiplied, good job,
multiply
okay. Identity property of 1 says what? It says that what?
any number multiplied
By what?
by 1
Yeah. Is what?
the same.
It is the same. Is the same what?
Property
Same number.
number.
Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. Okay? The reason it's called identity property is because it, the number that we multiply by 1, it, the number, keeps its what?
Property
It keeps its
number.
identity. Identity. It keeps its identity. All right? And so that's why we call it the identity property of 1. Because it says that any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. It, the number, keeps its identity. Okay? So let's see what that looks like. Any number multiplied by 1. So pick a number.
1
1 times 1 is 1. It keeps its identity. What's another one? 1
2
times 2 is what?
2
2. Because the identity property states that any number multiplied by 1, which now is that 2, is the same number, which is that 2, because it, the number 2, keeps its what?
property.
Its identity. All right? It's going to keep its identity. The property is just the law. It just tells us what these numbers are doing. So we're going to basically know this by numbers and identity of 1. Okay? So let's look at that again. Let's read that. Identity property of 1 says that what? Read that for me.
Identity property of 1 says that any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. The number keeps its identity.
Good job. Very good. So let's try another number. Pick any number. You could choose a large number. You could choose a small
4
number. 4. Okay. So 1 times 4 is what?
4
4. Choose another number.
6
1 times 6 is what?
6
6. Choose another number.
8
Okay, I see what you did. You said 2, 4, 6, 8. And what's the answer to 1 times 8?
8
8. All righty. Now, I'll choose some numbers, and I think I'm going to choose numbers that are a little larger. Those were 1-digit numbers. Now let's do 2-digit numbers. 1 times 10 is
10
10. 1 times 20 is
20
20. 1 times 33 is
33
33. Now, how do I know that? Because,
the property stays the same.
the number stays the same. Any number multiplied by 1 stays the same. It keeps its what?
Identity.
It keeps its identity. There you go. All right, so we did 1s, 10s. Let's see what happens if we change those to hundreds. Let's change those numbers. Instead of 1s and 10s, we're going to use hundreds. So what's 1 times 100?
100.
100. What's 1 times? Hello, so today we're going to talk about the identity property of 1. Identity property of 1. Say that with me. Identity property of 1. What does that mean, identity property of one? Well, the identity property of one says that it says that
300.
300. What's 1 times 500?
500.
500.
190. 999.
999. Very good. Ups. Let's go up to 4 digits. So what is 1 times 1,453?
1,453.
1,453. Very good. What is 1 times 9,564?
9,564.
That's right, 9,564. Well, now those were numbers in the thousands. Let's try some 10,000s. I want to see if that still applies because it says identity property of one says that any number, oh wow, any number. You want to do something with that? Yeah, any number. That's the key word. Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. The number, keeps its identity. That's the number other than that 1. So now we're going to try some 10,000s. What's 1 times 10,846?
10,846.
All right, so that's going to be 10,000, say 800.
846.
46. What about 1,000 times 20,551? What would that be?
20,551.
20,000, then 551. Okay, so then let's try some 100,000s and see if that any number still applies. Let's try a different color. 1 times, and then I said, am I at the 100,000s now?
Yes.
Okay, 900,549. What would that be?
900,549.
Very good. 900,549. So it still applies. It's at any number. So let's try a number in the millions. What is 1 times 1 million?
$1 million.
1 million. What is 1 times 2 million?
2 million.
2 million. What is 1 times 3,549,291?
3,549,291.
Very good. That would be this it keeps its identity, so it's going to be that same number, 3,549,291. What about 1 times? Let's do 4,209,101. What would that be?
4,209,101.
Very good. 4,209,101. Thank you. You did a great job practicing the identity property of one. which says that any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. The number, keeps its, let's say it together,
Identity.
identity.